This was given to me, but
Yes.
I haven't put any marked it or done anything with it. I didn't study it sufficiently. I put it out to
So you guys can do it. So here are your books.
Wow.
In a handy cardboard box. Well, there we go.
Thank you.
Have a look.
There you are, and you told me at the beginning that you wouldn't have nearly enough to
Yes.
write. You said you'd only have about 10 pages.
This is
Oh, I've got a lot of pages.
Gosh. Doesn't it make it a bit real to see it there, dog?
I know. All in print.
No, it's been lovely working with you throughout, so thank you.
Now you got the front
Oh, I got
page.
that photo in. See, I love that. We've got that painting in our house, and Laura always says,
I didn't even know that it had come to this country.
so that's the Christmas present sorted.
I must say the pictures have come up very nicely.
Oh, I didn't know you'd put that in. My permission for that.